Make this rich coffee in a plastic bottle with just 3 ingredients. In a plastic bottle, start by adding 250 grams of instant coffee. Next, add 250 milliliters of water, preferably lukewarm. Now let's add half a cup of sugar. If you prefer, you can use a bit less. It's up to your taste. All set, now just cap it and shake well until the coffee becomes creamy. This, folks, is the perfect consistency. Now simply pour it into a mug. Add hot or cold milk and enjoy. Folks, this creamy coffee is absolutely delicious. This technique is great if you don't have a mixer but want creamy coffee. I hope you all enjoyed this. Catch you next time. That was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, thanks.